Have you ever wondered why some people snore? The reason is actually quite simple. Snoring happens when the flow of air through the mouth and nose is partially blocked during sleep. This blockage can be caused by relaxed muscles in the throat, tongue, or soft palate, which can narrow the airway. When air tries to pass through this narrowed space, it causes the tissues to vibrate, producing the sound we hear as snoring. Factors like sleeping on your back, being overweight, or having nasal congestion can increase the chances of snoring. So, people snore because their airways are partially blocked, causing vibrations as they breathe. Do not forget to like and subscribe.